Wisely and Healthy is a deep learning-based software that helps women to get to know the needs of their body and hygiene and to use those informations with the prediction of menstrual cycle to have a better, more conscious and more comfortable life. From the perspective of the real world, the goals of our solution might seem way too idealistic. But we are thinking any little help is worth something. We know women all around the world suffer from terrible problems. Menstruation itself is a barrier to opportunities, it reinforces gender inequality. Some restrictions are cultural, such as prohibitions on handling food or entering religious spaces, or the requirement that women and girls isolate themselves. Poverty and humanitarian crises can limit women's and girls' access to culturally appropriate menstrual supplies and safe private washing facilities. At least 10 million unintended pregnancies occur each year among adolescent girls aged between 15 and 19 years in the developing world. Complications during pregnancy and childbirth are the leading cause of death for 15 between 19-year-old girls globally. According to clinical researches, a connection can exist between menstrual cycles, hormone level changing, and breast cancer. Decisions of women, just like decisions of others, should go about whom to fall in love with, which book to read, where to go to shop and what to buy, or which movie to pick, etc. Those questions should belong to everyone's freedom because that kind of stuff makes everyone's life colorful. We want to add more layers to the meaning of right to choose by extending this approach to more segments of the women's life. Our core solution is a lightweight deep learning model that can predict different aspects of the menstrual cycle. The lightweightness of the model is a key resource, since this way not only cutting-edge smartphones or computers count as a target for our software. We would like to add as much information, data visualization, or infographics as possible to our application for the women. We are not experts on this topic, since we are deep learning developers and data scientists only. Therefore, we will ask for help from topmost experts of women's rights. The workflow is very simple yet powerful. The user gives or confirms data about the beginning and end of their menstrual cycle, and the application predicts the next cycle or warns the user about possible problems with their actual cycle. The user can set up reminders. They can visualize historical data and they can receive hints about fertile or even about non-fertile periods. Key feature of our application is secure storage of personal menstrual cycle data. Because of the lightweightness of the application, no one has to share their data with a server or something like that. From local data with the use of local resources, the application can predict the next menstrual cycle and it can set up automatic reminders before the beginning of the predicted cycle. Our solution can show warnings if there is a difference between predictions and real cycle. The application can make suggestions in relation with family planning. In fact, it means information about potential fertile or non-fertile days. The app can visualize the user's data in many ways. Key data source of our product is the user itself. We ship a general model with the application and it will learn the uniqueness of all of our users. There is a basic data input and advanced data input. The user can decide which one they want to use. We made a plan for the next month. Our development process is based on 3 phases. In the first phase, we establish our core services. The next segment is the alpha stage, where we fine-tune the service. In the last phase, we will make much better models to provide fully personalized predictions. The whole process can be achieved within 1 year. We made a business model canvas to show our idea can be a real-life solution. We would like to be in the next part of this challenge, where experts can help us build something useful with a high impact on women's life around the world. Please support us. Thank you.